Hey Super Folders, it's John Folderson here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make me into my first video. So let's get folding. And Admiral Akbar told me how to make this guy. So first I'm just going to unfold him. Wait, just keep it.
Okay, let's see what you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll move what I need to.
So what you need is a fourth of a sheet of paper. You fold a piece of paper in half, then you fold that in half, then you cut it out. Turns out like this. Oh, no, okay, back to here. So then after that, you fold it in half, but don't crease it yet. Don't crease it, don't crease it, don't crease it. Pinch. Don't crease down from there. Not all the way to the top, but like, how much is that? How much is this?
Inch and a half.
An inch and a half left in front of you, and then crease down that all the rest of the area. And then just fold down, flip it over, or just whatever side you're there. Then fold it a teensy-weensy bit over the crease. See, there's the crease, teensy-weensy bit over it. Then do the same on the other side, but it goes actually onto the crease. It's crazy. So, there. Well, it might not, but next fold is folding these corners in. And then if your head might turn out a little big, I kind of fold it that little bit down. And then fold this whole head down to where you think it'll look good. Then you flip it over, and then you fold over these corners like that. Fold over these sides, and then good to go with it, you just fold in those corners. You have to say with the other side. You might have to kind of fit it with the head sides too. You might have to do the same with the head. You might have to fold it on the head too. Flip it over and then just decorate it. Then it'll turn out like this. And may the force be with you always. Oh wait, and I really recommend origami-me.com. It's a really good place to meet Tom Engelberger, the writer of the Origami Yoda books. And then in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the origami cover Yoda from Tom Engelberger's first book. So you just get some origami Yoda. Bye.